One of the things the operator always needs to do on a weekly basis or as needed is be sure they lubricate all the Zerk fittings on the blade linkage of the machine. This machine is very simple. It only has 12 Zerk fittings. 12 Zerk fittings, 6 on each side. So this is, I always like just to start up at the front of the machine, give it a couple pumps for that point, and you're all done. There's one located on the end of this cylinder rod, one here on the end of the tilt cylinder, other end of the angle cylinder, and then 2 right here on this lift cylinder, one right here and one right up there. And that's all necessary to take care of your greasing on the new D1, D2, and D3. If you have any questions about what we've talked about today on maintenance of Cat small dozers, please contact your local Cat dealer.